Hi, my name is Philip Morley. I'm a custom furniture maker out of Wimberley, Texas. And this week at Marc we're teaching this hallway table. So students are going to get to learn how to do veneer work, some fun parquetry, and we have a little box. So it looks like a drawer, and it's a box that they're going to make. So just a lot of fun little techniques. One of the major things about this is this table is a vehicle to learn lumber core. And so we'll be making our own lumber core. It's a really fun technique. It's not taught that often, and a bunch of other little details. So it should be a fun week. Along with learning how to build box, do veneer work, do the lumber core, they're also going to be making a mortise and tenon. To create the mortises, we're going to be using the JDS slot mortiser, and the tenons, we're going to be using a stacked dado blade at the table saw. Once they've got that done, we're going to be shaping these legs, and now it'll be at the bench with a lot of spoke shave and hand plane work, and then nice little details like the chamfers going around. So we're having a great time doing this table for this class this week. It's going to be a lot of fun to get this done. There's a ton of great classes here at Marc, so definitely check them out and check out some of my classes. Hopefully I'll be teaching this again, and hopefully you'll join me.
I'm Isaiah Smith. I'm from Brown County, Indiana. I'm local here. This is my first time taking a class here, and it's been really exciting so far. I got the opportunity to come in and try some new techniques I've never worked with. So we're building a nice little hallway table, and it's been a lot of new techniques I haven't done. I've done basic woodworking over the years, but this is a little bit of a step up for me. And there's been a lot of jigs and things I haven't used before, tools I haven't used before, so it's been a good challenge. But he's always really good at setting a pace, and he does a demo on anything before you go to do it. He'll explain it, write it out, and then he'll even do it for you. Do an example for you so that everybody gets to see it in real time. Having a great time here this week at Marc School of Woodworking.